Okay, so this is the Ham Shack VK4QC, and first up here we've got Drake Linear, the L7, and down here we've got the Yaesu FT920. Hope the camera's picking this up. And over here we've got the ICOM IC7000. Below that we've got the MFJ electronic Kia. And up here we've got a couple of tuners. Top one is a MFJ auto tuner. The one below that is the manual tuner. There's a little box here that I use for switching the linear to different rigs and also for CW keying. Over here we've got the Kenwood TS590 with the Signal Link computer interface. And of course the computer there running Ham Radio Deluxe. A beautiful radio room clock, and over here you've got my antenna patch rack. So we'll just move over here a bit. And this little thing here is the Echolink setup. It's on a dual bander, just operating on 2 meters at the moment with the Signal Link interface. And of course that's the Junker key. And here is the laptop computer which runs the Echolink. Under here we've got a big fat Alinco power supply, 60 amps, and down here a big fat battery with a little distribution box there. Plug all my radios into that. And down here this is the power supply, or actually 2 power supplies for the Scanty radios, 2 Scanty radios. So I've got 2 power supplies there. Coming up here, this is the big Scanty, 750 watts. Hope the camera's picking it up. And above here we've got the weather station, big weather station, little weather station, and here is the big Scanty. Down below is the transceiver unit, on the top is the power amplifier. And then you've got the small Scanty here, which is the 250 watt Scanty, and this is the control unit for the 250 watt Scanty. It's pretty much the same as the other Scanty, but just a different colour. So going along here, we've got some little what do you call Baofeng dual band handheld radios, and the Yaesu handheld radio as well. So that's basically what the shack looks like. And when I open the doors, I've got glass doors here. I can go outside. I can watch the birds while I'm operating the radio, and that's my daughter's little Buzzbox car. And this one is my four-wheel drive Land Rover. So here we've got my tower. I'm just going up, and there is my 3-element monoband Yagi for 20 meters, and the rotator which doesn't work. So that's why I've got this green rope here. The green rope comes down here. This is the one that turns the antenna. That's our old chook pen over there, which doesn't have any chooks in it. This is the handle to wind it up. So there we go. That's my caravan, and that's the house in the background. And as you can see, this is my weather station here, and in the background you can see the feed line coming down from the 160 meter half-wave dipole, and that goes across, and there's a 80 meter dipole as well which goes across that one.